Hey guys, welcome to my chaotic packing for vacation. I ran into a little bit of a mishap. I'm only looking at this carry-on right now and look at it and saying this might not go through as a carry-on. This might look like a check bag. And one thing I hate to do is stress at the airport, like because my airport time is my bed. See, let me tell you, my vacation starts when I get to the airport, so I'm not gonna be stressing on vacation, okay? But I had two options, right? I was like, should I buy a check bag or pack my personal item like as a carry-on, right? Because my personal bag is pretty big. It's pretty big, like. My personal bag is like, it's pretty big. And I'm like, yeah, this would work, right? I'll be able to pack all this in there, all of this, all of it in there, right? It would work. No, it won't. I'm looking at the bag. I'm like, no, it won't. It will not fit. Nothing is going to fit in there. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and buy a check bag. And I sat in my bed. I'm like, no, I can't. I'm not buying a check bag. I don't want to buy a check bag. First of all, I hate checking my bags. Like, I hate having to wait a baggage claim. I hate it. I'm cooked. So here's what I thought. I have this other personal check looking bag. It could go as a carry-on, right? It's big enough. So I was like, since I have one check bag and a carry-on, a personal bag, why don't I just do that, right? So I think I found a solution. Pray for me, guys. Pray that this works. So this is what it's looking like. Literally, this is what it's looking like. I literally haven't even taken out the stuff that I bought from, like, literally. It arrived and I just put it aside because I was like, oh, I'm gonna pack them. Because everything I bought, like, I bought my fit for each day, like 2 outfits a day and stuff like that. If I go there and my outfit don't look good, you're gonna know because you're not gonna see the pictures on Instagram. By the way, follow me on Instagram at Oprah Cindy with 1_. So if you want to know if some of them look good on me, go on my Instagram and check it out. But anyways, I'm going somewhere warm, sunny. Like, I'm going vacation. Oh my god, I can't. But anyways, comment down below where you think I'm going. Comment down below where you think I'm going. Also, I'm very grateful because I braided my hair last night. I did a vlog on my Instagram too, so go watch it. Thank you. But I did my hair last night. I'm going through a lot emotionally and physically. And then I got my nails done. And then I got my toes done. And then at first, I did not like my toes, but it grew on me. I love it. Hey, I love it. And also, maybe I should do a haul. Should I do a haul? Should I do like a Shein haul? I don't think I would. I would just like record beats of me packing my stuff. But look at this cute custom bag that I got from Shein. I'm like, should I use this only? You can tell like where I'm going. Like, let me give you another kind of bag. Like, this is another like general bag that I'll just pack a couple of stuff. You see that? Also, guys, should I tell you? I'm going on a cruise. So guess where I'm going? I'm go on a cruise. So when we dock and we ask to leave, I'm gonna pack like some of my stuff in this bag. Look at how cute this is. I put these on there. Like, it came with this in a separate like wrapper and it told us to put it on, and I put it on there. And then I got me this cute bag. I didn't even take it out of the plastic yet. But I'm gonna show you guys like one of my outfits. Maybe I should make this stand. Maybe I'm going to show you guys a couple of my outfits. So pack with me for vacation / Shein haul. Look at that, y'all. Do y'all see the, yeah, it's so dark over there. The lighting over there is not good. I'm going to put it over here. I think it's bright over here. But come on, y'all. Yo, look. Isn't this like tea? And then with the, oh my god, with the hair, you see the hair. I'm so looking forward to this trip, y'all, because I didn't just graduate basic training at AIT, but I graduated basic training at AIT a couple of months back, and while I was in AIT, we was planning for this trip. So I'm happy that it's finally here. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys like other stuff that I got. Like I told you guys, I bought stuff that I know would fit my body type. And if it doesn't fit, you would know because you would not see any of this fits on Instagram. This one is for like when we're going to the beach with Doc and we're told to go to the beach. Or maybe just walking around the cruise ship. You gotta look good. Always. I got another head scarf. Like I'm gonna take this one I have on my head, but I'm also gonna take this one with me. Guys, this is even a packing vlog anymore? This is literally a Shein haul. Okay. Look, you see what I was talking about? Like, I love this girl so much. I got it twice in a different design. I was like, what? I love it. Because like I said, I'm going on a cruise vacation. I have my outfits for like dinners on cruise. And then I have like for when we duck and we're going off the cruise ship. Also, I did not buy anything for motion sickness. So I'm going to pack ginger. But I know I'm going to be cooked. Like I'm cooked. Guys, look. I bought a universal slippers. It got all the colors in there. So this slippers alone is gonna take me through cruise. This slippers alone is gonna take me through all my bikini swimsuit outfits. Like this slippers alone is gonna take me all through it. But I bought another like shower slipper-ish, but it's also giving beach vibes. So stay with me. I'm like, if I show you guys one, I might just show you guys all. Not me still having this bag on me. But I'm not taking it off. Like, I love it. It's so cute. It's custom made. My name on it. And look at what I got. I got, like, this top. Like, you know, another day on the beach. It's a 4-day cruise. So, you know, we're going to be going ducking places. So, we're going to be... And I bought... This is the matching underwear. And then this little cute skirt. Look at that. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's giving body type. If it's not giving body... I don't know, y'all. If it doesn't look good on me, I am going to crash out. But like I said, I'm just not going to take pictures because, hey, I'm still going to wear it. I bought it. I'm going to wear it, but I'm just not going to post it. You know, y'all will not catch me dead or alive in it. But also, this is a dress. I'm only now looking at this and like, oh, this is kind of short. But it's cute. And I still got to go back on Shein and figure out how to wear it because, look. I didn't even know this had it. But I love it. I love surprises. But look at it. Look. See? You see how it's twirling? This looks good, but it's... Why is it over here? Do I gotta, like, send it through? Oh. Look! Oh, no, I didn't fit. Did I fix it? Is this supposed to be in the back? Oh, it is. I think I fixed it, y'all. But anyways, I'm gonna know if I fix it when I put it on. In a couple of days. I'm so hyped. I can't even hide it no more, y'all. This is... Oh, no. Was that a gift from Shein? Because it's another one. It's kind of shorter, but I love it. Okay. I'm so excited. I bought these. Ooh, I love it. I love the details for this one. Look at the details, y'all. The details. It's the details for me. But you will not catch me. But I'm kind of shy sometimes unless I'm going in water. I don't be walking around like this with these kinds of bikinis. So I bought like shorts to go with it. If you want to see the complete fit, go on my Instagram. You're going to see it over there. But yeah, this is what I got. I'm missing one. Yes. See, that's how you know I know everything I bought. Ooh. You see, that's the dress I said I love it so much. I got it twice. God. And I'm gonna post both of them on my Instagram. Both. But anyways, this is like hello. I think that's all of it that I got from Shein. But also, look at what I got from Shein is this organizer. So I'm like, maybe this will help me with my little problem. But anyways, I'm not gonna be taking any hair supplies except for my edge control because, girl, I'm braiding my hair. I don't want to deal with no wigs and my hair like, cause I gotta go in water, so I don't want to do any extra stuff. But this has some like bags. I'm gonna pack all my things in. My toiletries, my clothes. This is like the big one for all the clothes. Fold it in here and just stuck it. Guys, you see what I'm saying? All the things might fit in one bag. Because my clothes are very light, right? My clothes are very light. No, they're not. Don't be delusional, girl. Don't be delusional. Be realistic. Be realistic. Plus my makeup. I was like, no, I'm just going to grab my foundation, my concealer. Just a little bit of makeup because I'm not gonna do much. And then I was like, maybe I should grab this brush, maybe this brush, maybe this brush, maybe the eye palette, maybe this brush, yeah, I grabbed everything. I'm so grateful I have this time to pack now because I thought I was gonna pack like at midnight right before my flight, but as God had it or has it or have it, because he was and he's to come, I'm gonna be able to pack right now and I'm gonna chill for the rest of the day. Also, I haven't eaten all day, so pack with me for my cruise vacation while hungry. Let's go. Before I get to packing, I saw like my jewelry that I bought. I bought this for my hair. Earrings, hair accessories, ear accessory, necklace, ooh-wee. Earring. I probably can't see it clearly, but jewelry. See? You see the vibe I'm trying to go off. Rings, and then more rings. Like, remember the pants I told you guys I bought for the bikini? Here it is. So pajamas. I got a tank top. I don't know, they call these wife beaters. It's just to stay in my room. Like, if I don't want to stay in pajamas, I could just wear that shorts and these. And also, I'm gonna be packing like all my perfume. This is the only perfumes I'm taking with me. This is body mist. This is for like, you know, when you shower and just put on your body and stuff. And this is like perfume. This is almost finished, guys. This one is like literally gone, but this one is like literally gone. I'm probably gonna be like using this for my last time. Oh my god, why does it look so far away? I'm probably gonna be using this for my last time. Well, not because this lasts a long time. And then this one, just because again, I'm not putting a check bag, so I don't want anything to stress me out. And then I have a whole bunch of hair clips for my hair, for like, you know, and a whole bunch of like, you know, accessories. I don't know if I showed you guys. I'm not gonna show you guys everything I have. I have antibacterial wipes to wipe stuff down, edge control, travel size lotion. I love Eucerin, so I use that. Hand sanitizer. You know, you gotta use stuff, but you gotta keep it cute. So this is all the stuff that's probably gonna be always be my, well, not always be in my bag, but hand sanitizer was gonna be in my bag. Flushable wipes, because if you know, you know. If you don't use flushable wipes, I don't know. Makeup remover. I rarely use this. I always just wash my face, but I'm gonna use this for vacation. Travel size toothpaste, another travel size lotion, travel size deodorant, Q-tips, because I don't know about you, but I clean my ears almost every night, if not every night. Q-tips, hand lotion, hand cream. So yeah, I have this hand cream and it's finished, so I just got a new one for vacation. So I'm gonna pack everything up and I'm gonna get back to you guys when. One more bag down, and again, look at how spacious this is. I could literally still fit like 2 more outfits or 3 more outfits in here, but one more down. And I just packed my shoes in here. I got 1 heel, 1 slippers, like 1 slippers, and then 1 like sandal slippers, like 2 slippers. Makeup packed, and again, so much space. Literally, look at all that space. So. in this bag and see if everything's gonna fit. Because I feel like everything is gonna fit in one bag. Looking at this, this is literally it. Guys, should I put it in? Am I getting ideas or what? I think that everything's gonna fit in this bag. Should I try? I'm gonna try. So it's not gonna fit all of it, and it's not gonna fit in here. Well, I kind of knew that, but I was just testing my waters. It's okay. Thank God that I have this bag, and this bag also like opens up. So if I end up having to pack in both and still needing space here, I could still open that up. But yeah. Let's pack. So should I show you guys, or should I just come back when I put it off? Maybe I should show you guys this one. So this is really me packing. The last one was me organizing. This literally just took up half the space in this bag already. Woo! I was not gonna be able to do it with one bag. Nope, never was gonna be. Can I just put this in here, sir? No, it doesn't. It fits, but like, I feel like if I open the bottom, it would fit. I open up the bottom. You see? I just created a whole lot more space, and then it sunk. This part is giving me a little bit of a hard time, but it's okay. I got you. We're gonna close. We're gonna close. Woo! One back down. Look at the space that is on the sides. And anything else that I find that I haven't packed will go in here. But that's fine. I'm so happy that everything worked out, because I was not gonna buy no carry-on. I was gonna buy a check bag. That's what I could do with that money. I could buy food at a restaurant on vacation. So guess we're eating extra because I didn't waste money on check bags. Moi. But anyways, let me stop goofing around. This is literally everything that I've packed for vacation. I'm excited. I leave at 6 a.m. That's when my flight is. So I'm gonna try to be at the airport by 5, so that I don't get like anxious and stuff. So, but thank you so much for tuning in. This is me with my bags that I'm going on vacation with. And thank you so much for tuning in and staying this long. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe for more vacation vlogs. Stop. All right, stay blessed. Mwah.